We're gonna play you a special song.
Ready?
This song is for my loved ones. That was really weird. Go to flowgo.com. Here's the second song. For bubbles is so much fun. Bubbles, sink my rubber duck. A brown torpedo came up floating up. Oh! Bubbles in the tub. You can smell them when they rise up. The bubbles made an oops and farted and floated when I went poop. That was weird. Which one?
Redneck Baby.
No, it's fun. I will watch that after. Alright, bye. Last video of the day. Bye.
Maybe it's like 5 today.
Yeah, more. A lot of them are just songs. Bye. Bye. The button's not working. Okay.